Hello G6, again here with me Miss Riana in math now. We're going to learn negative numbers. Dalam bahasa Indonesianya adalah bilangan bulat. Bilangan bulat negatif. Sebenarnya bilangan bulat itu bahasa Inggrisnya integers ya. Ada yang positif, ada yang negatif. Now we're going to learn about the negative one. So first we're going to understanding negative numbers. Write in numbers negative 37. Write in your workbook. Okay, ready? Negative 37. Negative 12. Negative 10. Good. Negative 350. 350. But it will be negative. Easy peasy, yeah? Next one. Look at the number. So, it's negative 9 and 3. Yang sebelah kanan adalah bilangan positif, sebelah kanan bilangan 0, dan sebelah kirinya adalah bilangan negatif. Semakin ke kanan, dia semakin besar. So, which is greater? Is it negative 9 or 3? Yes, so 3 is greater than negative 9. Okay. Still the same, which is greater? Is it 14 or negative 14? So we have to take a look. Where is negative 14? Yes, negative 14 will be here on the left side of the 0. And 14 is positive, so it's on the right side of 0. So 14 is greater than negative 14. Ooh, easy peasy, yeah. Now it's about the small one. Which one is smaller? Is it 28 or is negative 28 or negative 75? Both of them are negative. It's not a problem. Look here. Semakin ke kiri, bilangan negatifnya semakin besar dan nilainya semakin kecil. Jadi yang di sini, I'll put here, it will be negative 28. And over here will be negative negative 75. So which one is the smallest? Yeah, so this one, negative 75, is smaller than negative 28. Okay, now we're going to compare, fill in the blank with this sign, bigger, or this sign, smaller. Okay, 18 will be smaller. Oopsie. How about 25? Bigger than negative 45. Oh, I do it the wrong way. Now 20, then negative 13. Positive is always bigger, yeah, than negative. Okay, D. Negative 39 will be bigger than negative 57. Kalau bilangan negatif semakin besar angkanya, tapi dia nilainya semakin kecil. Semakin kecil angkanya, nilainya semakin besar. Negative 16 and negative 10. Yes, smaller. Negative 71 will be smaller than 0. 0 will always be bigger than any negative numbers, yeah? Okay, 38 will be bigger, and 64 will be bigger than negative 64. Next one, circle the smallest and underline the greatest number. Okay, which one is the smallest here? Yes, the smallest is negative 86, and the greatest is 12. Here, the smallest is negative 70, and the greatest is negative 6. Number 5, arrange the number in increasing order. If it said increasing, berarti membesar. Kita akan mulai dari yang terkecil. Oke, mana yang paling kecil? Negatif 70, lalu negatif 17, negatif 7, 27, dan 37. Good job. Now B. The smallest will be negative 68, negative 60, negative 16, negative 8, and then 0. Now this one is in decreasing order. Decreasing order itu berarti mengecil. Berarti kita dari yang paling besar. Kita akan cari dari yang paling besar. Dari yang paling besar kita akan mulai bilangannya 520. Kemudian 0. Kemudian negatif 20. Negatif 25. Dan negatif 52. Same as here. The biggest one is 30. And then negative 3, negative 13, oh, mostly negative, yeah. Negative 130, you have to be careful. The number is the same, they just like make it in different way. So here we go, in decreasing number. Negative 301 is the smallest, yeah, even though the number is the bigger, yeah? The biggest. Okay, let's continue. Aha! This is going to be your homework. You have to count it. And after that, you will put the alphabet. If this is the right answer, you will put it here. And you will get the name of Indonesia's national bird. So you have to do it. Just do it on your workbook. Take a picture and upload the pictures on your classroom. Okay? This is your homework. Okay, find the missing number in each number sentence. Okay, 9 ditambah negatif 6. Kita tidak boleh menggunakan dua tanda. Positif dengan negatif berubah menjadi negatif. So actually it will say 9 minus 6. It will be, voila, 3. It's easy. Okay, and then 2 plus blah 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 will be negative 5. You have 2, but you want to get negative 5. What should you do? Berarti kamu harus menambahkannya dengan bilangan negatif yang lebih besar dari 2, supaya hasilnya negatif. Lebih besar dari 2, 5 lebih besar dari 2. So, I'll try this. Karena, kalau bilangan negatifnya lebih besar, kalian tinggal kurangkan saja. 7 dikurang 2. Benar 5, tapi hasilnya negatif 5. How about here? Blah blah blah, you add with negative 1 will be negative 15. Sesuatu yang ditambahkan dengan negatif 1, jadi negatif 15. Tetap negatif. Jadi, negatifnya harusnya tadi lebih kecil dong. Ditambah negatif 1 jadi negatif 15. Let's try negative 14. Karena negatif 14, ditambah negatif 1. So, it means tambah dengan kurang, jadi kurang. Dikurang 1. Negatif 14, mundur 1. Dari garis bilangan. So, it will be negative 15. Negatif 4, ditambah suatu angka, hasilnya jadi 8. Hasilnya jadi positif. Kalau hasilnya jadi positif, berarti bilangan penjumlahnya harus lebih besar. Jadi, berapa? Dari negatif 4, dari garis bilangan, dari negatif 4 harus maju berapa supaya sampai ke angka 8. I will try here. Negative 4 is over here, right? I'll prove it. We are going to move forward 12. 1, 2, okay, I'm going to do this. Okay, negative 4 is here. Yeah, we will do it 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kita hitung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hasilnya positif 8. You can use the number line ya to help you. Okay. Now here. Something add with 7 will still 7. Kalau ada bilangan yang tidak berubah, berarti biasanya dia ditambahkan atau dikurangkan dengan bilangan 0. And then, blah blah blah, add with 5 will be negative 2. Hasilnya jadi negatif. Pasti bilangannya ini harus negatif. Negatif dan lebih besar dari 5. Angkanya negatif dan lebih besar 2 dari 5. Lebih besar 2 dari 5 yaitu 6, 7, 7. Jadi negatif 7 ditambah 5 sama dengan negatif 2. Negative 8, add with something, it will be negative 3. Tetap negatif, tapi negatifnya mengecil. Kalau negatifnya mengecil, pasti bilangannya harus positif. 8 dengan 3 berbeda berapa selisihnya? Berbeda 5. Jadi negatif 8 ditambah 5 sama dengan negatif 3. Negatif 8 bergerak ke kanan 5 kali, itu hasilnya adalah negatif 3. And this one? You got negative 13. Blah, 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 add with negative 13 will be negative 19. Jadi, dia ditambahkan sesuatu tapi malah jadi tetap tambah negatif. Berarti bilangannya adalah bilangan negatif. 13 ke 19 berapa selisihnya? Selisihnya adalah 6. Berarti negatif 6 ditambah negatif 13 sama dengan negatif 19. Sama saja 6 ditambah 13, 19. Tapi karena semuanya negatif, it become negative. We skip that one. Now, we will do some of this. Okay, now we're going to do how to do the exercise from page 14. Okay, it said that 28 minus 74 or 28 minus subtract by 74. Like I told you before, Miss Diana itu mengatakan kalau ini bilangan negatifnya lebih besar dari bilangan positifnya, maka hasilnya pasti negatif. Di sini misalnya mendapatkan negatif 46. Where do I get that? Caranya adalah bilangan yang besarnya dikurangkan dengan bilangan yang kecilnya. Tapi kan ini negatif, Miss. Betul, itulah kenapa hasilnya akan menjadi negatif 46. Jika 74 dikurangi 28 adalah 46, tapi karena 74-nya ini negatif, sehingga hasilnya akan menjadi 46. So, the result is negative 46. Let's see the next one. Okay, 38 minus negative 31. Like I told you, in math you have to choose one. Ya. Nggak boleh maruk, kita pilih tandanya yang mana. Oke, karena negatif ketemu negatif, kita tahu itu menjadi positif. So, it's just like 38 plus 31. Oh, easy. 69, where do I get that? Let's just do this. 38, 31, you add it. And the result will be 69. Next one. You have negative 45 minus negative 12. Again, we will do it. Negative 45. Why do I get plus? Because here is negative and negative, it will become positive. So negative 45 plus 12. And then, okay, like I told you, I prefer the positive at the front. So 12 minus 45. Can you do that? Can you do that? Of course you can. But look, the negative number is bigger. So the result will be negative. Negative 33. We will see where we get that. Kita biasa kurangkan bilangan yang lebih besarnya, kita kurangkan dengan bilangan yang lebih kecil. Hasilnya 33. Tapi karena bilangan yang besarnya itu negatif, hasilnya menjadi negatif 33. Next one. Negative 51 minus negative 85. Oh, we have two sign here. Negative and negative, we will change it into positive. Negative 51 plus 85. Like I told you, I like the positive at the front. Yeah. So 85 will come to the front and negative 51 will go after it. So 85 minus 51. Oh, it's simple. You just subtract it. I found it 34. Where do I get it? 85 minus 51. It will be 34. 5 minus 1 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. Next one. 0 minus negative 69. Okay, so 0, negative with negative will be 69. So 0 plus 69, it will be 69. How do I get that? Let's see. 69 plus 0 will be 69. Okay, next one. 208 minus negative 156. Look, two sign, we cannot do that. We will choose one. So negative with negative, we change it into positive. So 208 plus 156. This is the common addition, yeah? So, okay. What will I do? So I just do it like that. Okay, so the answer is 364. 8 plus 6 is 14. Go up. 1, 5 will be 6. 3 and 2 will 2 and 1 will be 3. Okay, negative 504 minus negative 504. Again, two sign. We cannot do that. So, it will become negative 504 plus 504. Again, I like the positive at the front. Kita pindahkan positifnya ke depan. So, it will become 504 minus 504. So, it will be 0. Where do I get that? Here, 504 minus 504 will be 0. Now again, next one. 906 minus 2109. We can do it, but the result should be negative because the negative number is bigger. So, I counted 1283. Where do I get it? 2189, you subtract it with 906. So, you will get that. 9 minus 6, it will be 3. 8 minus 0, 8. 1, you will become 11 minus 9 is 2. And this one, you borrow it 1 before, so it become 1. So the result is that one.